People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. A motorist who was abducted 3 days ago and his car stolen has been rescued from a pit on Jones Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He was thrown in the pit by his abductors. The motorist is now hospitalized. Members of the St. Catherine Fire Department, assisted by the police, carried out the search and rescue operations today. So that was from the Jamaica Gleaner, people. The man was abducted and he was found in a pit. Yes, you heard that correctly. A pit he was found in. Very unfortunate situation. But you know how these stories always ended up. Like, man would have end up found dead in a pit. So we are very and extremely happy that he was found alive. He was found alive, people, even though them threw him in a pit and left him. But I'm reading a different one from the Jamaica Star. It goes on to say a man who was abducted on Thursday and his car stolen was this morning rescued from a 55 feet deep pit in the Jones Avenue community of Spanish Town. Reports are that the man, whose name is being withheld, was held up by armed men who stole his motor car and took him to the Jones Avenue community and threw him in the pit. According to a police source, they were alerted to the area, and on their approach, one man who was guarding the pit ran from the scene and escaped in the community. So that is what Jamaica Star is saying, people. And I'll show you the videos them at the end. And we're just thankful that this man was not harmed, people. Grateful for that, because these stories sometimes end in death. So we're very happy for this. But check out the couple of videos them that I was able to get, people. All right, check them out.
This. Yeah, see my from there. Yeah, see him there. Yeah, see my from there. Yeah. All right. Let's see ya.
Yeah, man.
See him there. All right. Jesus, man. Yeah, see my move there. Yeah. All right. Let's see ya. Good.
All right. Let's lay down. Let's stay right there, so.
Which part are you broken? You hear me? No. Fireman them up here and the police.
What you are not doing, if you are sending
no, we're go down. Yeah, we're go down. I tell him to go back on now. No, but we want to see him.
All right. Here I Indian. All right, stay right there, so don't move. You shut the right so me go sprint it through now. Alright, you come back.
Put on some gloves and all that. Be careful, Daniel.
All right, India, go and get you up. Hey, man, that's like...
I think so.
Wait, India.
No, man, somebody, yeah, just hold him on.
Underneath his arm,
Underneath his armpit, armpit, yeah.
Good.